Dear student, you are watching the educational channel Munmun Bhakta Tutorial, and this class is part 2 of the chapter Terminating and Non-Terminating Decimal for class 9. So please be ready with your notebook and pen. In previous class, we have discussed that there are two types of decimal, and that is terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. And now we will know that non-terminating decimals are of two types. You can see this on a screen. This is the classification of non-terminating decimal, and now just try to understand this, and for this we take an example. Our first example is 3.333 ... Dear student, you are watching here a single digit 3 repeats here again and again, and so this is called non-terminating recurring decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal, and it is written in short 3.3 recurring. Now the second example is 3.142857. 142857. You are watching a group of 6 digit repeats here, and that is 142857, and so it is also a non-terminating repeating decimal. It means in a non-terminating decimal, when a single digit or a group of digits repeats, then that is called non-terminating recurring decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal, you can say. Now we come to non-terminating and non-recurring decimal, and for this we just take an example, and this is 0.1011011110 4 times 1 0 5 times 1 0 6 times 1 0, and so on. In this example, you are watching neither a single digit nor a group of digits repeat here, but these are infinitely. So it is called non-terminating, non-recurring or non-repeating decimal. In the second example, a square root of 2, we are watching 1.142142137309.5 . It means we are watching here also that neither a single digit nor a group of digits repeats here, and so it is also non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. We are watching there are two types of matter in both cases. In first case, a single digit or a group of digits repeats, but on the other hand, neither a single digit nor a group of digits repeats, And so, if in non-terminating decimal neither a single digit nor a group of digits repeats, then it is called non-terminating decimal. Clear, student? And you can remember also this non-terminating and recurring decimals are also called rational number, and non-terminating non-recurring decimals are actually irrational numbers. I have written here in bracket. You can watch this. And now we come to the second thing, and now we will learn that without actual division, how can we determine terminating or non-terminating decimal? And for this, we take an example. Just try to understand this. Our first example is 7 by 8. First of all, we factorize the denominator 8, and that is 7 by 2 into 2 into 2. And now remember, if in the factorization of denominator only 2 or only 5 or 2 and 5 both comes in the factorization, prime factorization of denominator, then it indicates terminating decimal. Again I repeat, if in the prime factorization of denominator only 2 or only 5 or only 2 and 5 come, that indicates terminating decimal. But if any other number or digit comes besides 2 or 3 in the prime factorization of denominator, it indicates that is non-terminating decimal. Clear, student? So again we try to understand this example 7 by 8, and we find the prime factorization of denominator here 2 into 2 into 2, and we are watching that only 2 is found in prime factorization of denominator, and therefore it is terminating decimal. Clear? Now for the second example, 5 by 12. Again, first of all, we factorize the denominator 12 and we get 2 into 2 into 3. You are watching 3 is found besides 2 in prime factorization of denominator, and therefore it is non-terminating decimal. Clear, student? I hope your doubts will have been cleared. And now homework of this class. Please note this homework for practice. We meet in the next class. Thank you.